Hey, what's up guys? So for this video, I'm going to be showing you how to upload the Telpas writing prompt that you guys are going to be doing for me today. So first thing you're going to do, of course, you're going to go to your screen where I normally put your homework on the hub. Once you do that, you scroll down, here it is, writing prompt. Let me go ahead and show you how it's going to look for you guys. Let me activate it first. So once again, you are now in your class. I'm using second period as an example. You click on the Algebra 1 folder, assignments, and then here it is, writing prompt. So you're going to go ahead and open it. And of course, here's your instructions. So it says, please submit or type a full page about one of the following prompts. First prompt, write an essay explaining the steps you use in a mathematical process. Or the second prompt, which is, write an essay explaining how you would use mathematics outside of the classroom. So, of course, here's going to be the writing prompt. To answer this, of course, click on Answer Assignment. Let that load up for you. Now, whenever it pops up, this becomes a live document, meaning anything that you put on here is going to automatically save. So you don't have to worry about saving. You don't got to do none of that. So, for example, your name, go ahead and put in your name, which is, let's say, for example, Mr. Del Rio, right? Now, on this next part, I want you to erase this right here. Of course, is the instructions, write an essay about one of the following prompts. Erase it. Let's say, for example, you're choosing the second prompt. This is what I want you to do. Erase. And whenever you erase, just place it right there, say, oh, this is my prompt. And from right here, press enter. And then, of course, make sure you put it on Times New Roman. Put your maximum is 12, guys. Do not exceed 12, all right? Make sure your font size is 12. And from right here, begin to type away, right? Once you reach that bottom of the page, guys, once you reach it, all you have to do is exit out because, like I said, it automatically saves. You exit, and then, like I said, it's done, right? All you have to do is just press submit. And of course, it's going to say your answer is submitted and you're done. With that being said, guys, please make sure you submit it. If you do not press submit, it will not submit to me. If you guys have any questions, just send me a personal message. We'll talk it out and I'll help you out. Thank you, guys.